best time of the day is to see individuals, brand new individuals succeeding like this. I'm going to share the results with you in just a second. By the way, my name is Errol, just an ordinary dad and family man who came across an automated step-by-step system that's allowed me to earn thousands of dollars online, working about 2 hours a day or less. In actual fact, the best of it all is brand new individuals are having success doing this. Check out these results. This right here is a post from the owner where she's asking how many individuals has made $10,000 and more within 1 month. And 187 individuals replied to say yes. One lady even made $25,000 in her first month. Now, if I go over to the wins and I click on the wins and I then go and I click on new, the latest ones, you will see 14 minutes ago just made my first $100 sale. Right here, $900 6 hours ago, a $1,800 day. Now, if that isn't enough proof to show you that what I'm doing and what these individuals are doing to earn these types of money online, then I don't know what is going to persuade you to, well, what's more proof that you require. So by the way, if you want to get started with this, just comment yes, and I'll guide you step by step as to what you need to do next.